welcome to my channel. My name is Heather Anderson of So Heather, and I'm super excited today. Rachel Zoe's Summer Box of Style is actually sponsoring this video, so a big thank you to them. I've been partnering with Rachel Zoe for quite a while now, actually a few years, and basically what she does is she sends out a box of style every season, so 4 times a year. So there's a spring, a summer, a winter, and a fall. So this video is about the summer box of style. You actually get 5 highly covetable items sent to your doorstep every season, and you can just purchase this one season or you can purchase all 4 seasons. It's up to you. But this one season comes with, like I said, 5 amazing items. I'm about to go through them all, so stay tuned. But these items actually retail for over $400, but you guys can get this entire box that's actually, like I said, worth over $400 for under $100 with code CHIC25. So what an amazing deal. All of these items you will love to wear all summer long. I know I'm super excited about all of them. So let's get started with the first item, which is this amazing floral print sarong. You can actually choose 2 different color palettes. So either the pink version, which is what I'm showcasing here in this video and in these photographs, or there's a darker purple version, which I love as well. This one is so beautiful. I love sarongs in the summer because you can just easily wear a swimsuit and then tie it around your waist and wear it as a little cover up. But you could also wear this sarong like with jeans and a white shirt like I have on today. And you could wear it as a scarf. So basically you just kind of take the sarong and fold it or, bunch it up so it's like a long silhouette here. And then you just grab it with both hands, put both ends behind your neck and bring them forward. And there you go. You have on your cute little scarf, even though, like I said, it can be a sarong or a scarf. I love it worn both ways. So it's so chic. It's very soft. I love the tassels that it has, on the edging. It makes it look way more expensive than it really is. It actually retails for $195. But again, this entire box, you can get yours with code CHIC25 for only $74.99. You get $25 off. So the second item I want to talk about are these stunning white tassel earrings. I love these. I think these are, incredibly chic. They will bring any look to the next level. They look very summery. I just love wearing like a simple look. And then putting the white, putting earrings on, I just think it makes any look just look so much more chic, so much more elevated and polished. Okay, I'm back and I got my other earring on. Aren't they just so incredibly chic? I absolutely love them. Okay, the next item I want to talk about is this amazing Hydra Repair Moisturizing Cream. I've actually made this a part of my summer skincare regimen. So I put it on in the morning just before I put on my sunscreen, and then I put on my makeup, and it goes on incredibly smooth. It keeps my skin glowy and nourished and moisturized. I also use it at night because it is so moisturizing, and my skin on my face tends to get a little bit drier in the summer. I mean, it's definitely dry in the winter, but for some reason, the older I get, it definitely gets drier in the summer too. And this is phenomenal. Y'all will love it. This actually retails for, I think, around $55. So, such a great deal that you can get all of these products in the box of style for under $100. All right, the next item is another beauty product. I absolutely love this. This is a dynamic blush duo. It will give your skin, your cheeks, the perfect glowy, summery dew that we all want. So I love to use this medium shade here in the apples of my cheeks, like so. See, that's such like a beautiful summery, kind of like it's got a little bit of an orange tint to it, but not too bad. It's just so beautiful. So put that on the apples of my cheeks. And then this is a lighter shade that you can put on the above your cheekbones. I like to put highlighter there. It's very shimmery. It's just very beautiful and luxurious. I like to put it down the bridge of my nose. And then I like to put it on my Cupid's bow. I mean, it's just like amazing and just so beautiful. Absolutely love this. And I love this brand. I love their packaging. And I also love that all their beauty products are natural. So love that. Now, the final item I want to talk about is this amazing travel bag. So This bag is phenomenal. It's like called the Weekender, so it's perfect for traveling on the weekends. You know, after this quarantine is over, I'm definitely going to be scheduling some fun weekend getaways, and I can't wait to pack this bag. It's definitely roomy enough to carry all of your weekend essentials in. You can honestly fit a ton in this bag. I actually did pack it for the photo shoot, and I literally fit like 4 outfits, shoes, my bathroom bag, everything. It's amazing. I love the canvas and brown leather combination. I think this color combo will go with everything, so it's extremely versatile as well. So absolutely love this bag. This bag retails for I think over $169 or something, so it's such a great deal. You know, also I'm going to Laguna Beach in June, so although I'm not traveling just for the weekend, I'm still going to bring this weekend bag with me. I'm going to carry it on the airplane as my carry-on bag because I just think it's so incredibly chic looking, plus it's roomy enough for all of my essentials to carry on the airplane. So anyway, those were the 5 items, ladies, that come in this summer box of style. Again, these all retail for over $400. You all can get them for $74.99 with code CHIC25. Everything will be linked down below in the description box. There's actually just one link for the summer box of style, so you just click that. We'll take you to the website where you can make your purchase if you decide to treat yourself. And if you do, I think you will be so happy with this summer box of style. I know I am. I'm super excited about every single item, and I can't wait to wear them all this summer. So for more style information, you can head over to SoHeather.com, and on Instagram, I'm SoHeatherBlog. Please let me know in the comments below if you ladies have any questions or any future video ideas. I always love hearing from y'all. If you would also subscribe to my channel if you loved this video, I would truly appreciate it, as well as hit that little bell notification button because I do publish 2 new videos every single week. All right, ladies, you all have an amazing week. Stay healthy, stay safe, and stay positive. And until next time, I will see you soon. Bye-bye.